Guys, what's up? Welcome to Team Sleepy here. I am Sarina. This video is going to be really short, and it's going to be really important to let you all know that right now I'm going through a tough period of time because I have studies and everything to do, and also Christmas is over. I hope you all have had an amazing Christmas as much as I had a good one. I hope 2021 brings all of us a lot more happiness than this year has brought us. So I don't think I'll be uploading videos very frequently on my channel now because forgive me because I'll be doing a lot of studies and all of that, and also I'm not having a very good time right now, so I will be uploading videos very less, not not very frequently will I be uploading videos for the time being. The moment I finish my exams and all of that, I think I will be uploading. Uh, I will be start. I will be starting to upload a lot more videos. I know my face looks really swollen. I'm very tired due to Christmas and all of that. But I promise nothing bad is happening right now in my life. I'm fine, but because of studies and all of that, I'm getting a lot more occupied. So the Christmas vlog part 1 I uploaded. Part 2, once I will upload it like in the middle. Um, I don't know whether I'll be able to upload regularly. I don't think I will be able to upload. Once I upload the Christmas vlog part 2, I think I will go a little bit silent on the channel. And then I will be starting to upload again once exams and all are done. So, and if exams are not happening, which we are hoping that it does not happen because of the COVID, if it does not happen, I will start uploading once again very soon if it does not happen. But if it so happens, please stay on hold like me. I am also going to stay on hold, and I'm hoping to start uploading after exams. So now I'm going to upload the Christmas vlog part 2. Editing is not done. I will edit it and upload it very soon, like in 2 days, 3 days I'll upload it, and then I'm going to go silent on the channel for a while. I'll give my exams in between. If I get time to shoot any types of videos, I will surely shoot and upload, but please consider my problem. I will start uploading videos as soon as no sooner the exams are over, so please do not mind. And I know I have to be consistent, but there is no option for me right now just exams. And also I'm going through a little bit tough time. Let this time go by, and then probably I'll start uploading the moment I feel a little cool and a little happier. But I think till now this is going to be the video. And do I look very bad? This is going to be the video. Now I'm going to really switch off the phone and everything and just concentrate on myself and do a lot more meditation and workout and studies, because that is important for me at this point of time. YouTube, I will very fast I will commence on YouTube, but till now I think I should be doing meditation and all of that. I hope all of you have an amazing new year, and I'm hoping that 2021 is good for all of us, because it is not easy. By the way, I'm having a little cold and cough, so don't mind, nothing's wrong, I'm just having a little cold and cough. So I hope you all have an amazing 2021. Unlike 2020, we all want to be a little bit more happier in 2021 and a lot more satisfied with the year that's coming. So I just want to wish all of you a good luck, and I want to wish you all a lot more happiness for 2021. Do not consider 2020 to be a bad year, but consider it to be a year that has just gone by, and maybe good for some people, maybe bad for most people, but probably, this is a year that everyone has gone through. So do not consider it bad, consider it good. and obviously consider that this year has taught us a lot in our lives, so that in future we do not have any problems, and we do not, if even if we face problems, we can fight it like brave children and brave people. So do not consider this year a bad year, but definitely consider 2021 that's coming. Consider it that though it's going to be COVID pro, if this is a joke that everyone's sharing, that this year has been COVID-19, and 2021 will be COVID pro, like unlike iPhone 10 and iPhone 10 Pro or iPhone 11 Pro, like that. So I know 2021 is also going to be rough, but we have to make it easy, right? You cannot be sulking, and you cannot be sitting waiting for it to ban on you. And my phone is having less charge now, so I'm also going to charge my phone. And this video was nothing but a apologizing video, that I'm sorry that I won't be able to upload now for a couple of months probably, because this is what is my life going to be. I think we should all take out time to move away from digital life and sit quietly and meditate and just think about ourselves, because we've just thought about everyone except ourselves. So please guys, sit aside and think about yourself. It's important. Meditate, try and eat good food, try and be happy, work out, sleep, study, and definitely move away from digital life, social media, because this kind of is trying to I'm not telling you to not upload YouTube videos. Everyone's happiness at this point of time is social media. So try to see the world outside social media also. It's important to just sit back, relax, eat food, chill with your family. It's very important. Do not forget to just take out time for yourself. That's very important. Pamper yourself. No one's going to pamper you, right? You have to pamper yourself. So do that for yourself. Buy clothes for yourself. Eat a lot of food. Work out. Probably spend time with your family. That's how life is probably going to be for me right now. And one more very important thing that I would like to say is, life is not life is not a cake. It's not easy. It's definitely a rough patch of a rock, or it is a sharp knife which we all have to cut through, and we all have to stitch ourselves back to where we are now. So I think just move away from everyone who's harming you. Just be happy, and just do not feel sad or anything, because this is one life. I mean, everyone goes through a rough time, right? But just try and be happy. It's important. Every morning wake up and smile and say thank you God for making me see another day. That's important, right? So yeah, I think I'm going to finish this video here, and there's nothing for you to like in this video, but definitely if you like this video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Team Sleepyhead. I don't know why am I saying to like and share and subscribe to this video, because I'm not going to upload for a few months right now, but definitely I will come back to YouTube very soon. It's not like I'm going away forever. I'm going to come back here on the same very platform, maybe next month, maybe next week, maybe the very next hour. I do not know, but do not forget to keep smiling every day. It's important. And I just want to wish you all a very happy belated Christmas and a very happy advanced New Year to all of you. And I hope 2021 brings all of you a lot of happiness and a lot of smiles and love and prosperity. But now I'm going to go and try and make my 2021 better, and you also should try to make your 2021 a good year for yourself. Do not call it a bad year. Now I'm going to finish this video, and I will see you probably very soon. Cross fingers. I cannot promise you when my next video will come up, but I promise that I'll come back on YouTube very soon. Until then, don't forget to obviously like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you very soon. Until we meet, toodles.